Welcome to the science class, children. The previous class, what you learned about photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which green leaves of a plant make food using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. Oxygen is also formed during photosynthesis. Yes or no? Why is it important for plants to do photosynthesis? Why? Why is it important? Through this process only, plants prepare the food. Yes or no? Now, photosynthesis is important for plants as they make their food through the process. And animals and people depend on plants for food or not. If there is no photosynthesis, animals and humans will not get food. Also, plants take carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. This reduces the amount of carbon dioxide in the air or not? While during photosynthesis, plants take carbon dioxide or not? So, this reduces the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. Plants give out oxygen during photosynthesis. Animals and people breathe in this oxygen to live. Now, importance of photosynthesis. Block number 7, lesson plan 4, page number 49. Page number 49. See, importance of photosynthesis. Plants provide food for all living beings. People and animals eat either plants or plant-eating animals. So, plants provide food for living things or not? Plants absorb carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during photosynthesis. People and animals breathe in oxygen. We breathe oxygen, plants breathe carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. If we cut a lot of trees, the amount of photosynthesis being done is reduced, and as a result, less food and oxygen is available for us. If we cut a lot of trees, photosynthesis being done is reduced or not. So, because of that, we get less food and less oxygen. In the cities, we need to make sure that there are enough gardens and trees. This helps in keeping enough oxygen in the air. So, in the cities, make sure that there are enough gardens and trees. How did you feel about sitting in a green garden? Tell me. What did you what will happen if plants did not photosynthesis? We all feel good sitting in a garden or not? Surrounded with plants. We get a lot of oxygen from plants and the air feels fresh. If plants stop photosynthesis, they will not be able to make food for themselves and will finally die. If plants stop photosynthesis, they will not be able to prepare the food and finally they will die. So, this is here. See, trees are cut to make houses. Nowadays, what is going on? All trees are cut. Trees are cut to make houses. Because of this, what will happen? We get less food and less oxygen also. Understood? Next, why should we not sleep under trees at night? Morning, yes, we get fresh air, fresh oxygen, everything. But why should we not sleep under trees at night? At night, photosynthesis does not happen in plants because it is dark. Only photosynthesis when it happens, when there is sunlight. In the night time, there is dark. So at night, plants take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Breathing in carbon dioxide is not good for animals and people. At night, plants also like ourselves, it takes oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. If we sleep under the trees at night time means what will happen? Their plants release carbon dioxide or not? That carbon dioxide is not good for breathing. Understood? So only in the morning, when there is sunlight, then only plants prepare the food. Photosynthesis happens in the plants. Now here you see importance of photosynthesis. Why photosynthesis is important? It cleans the air by giving out oxygen. When this process is happening, at that time plants release oxygen or not. That oxygen cleans the air. And also by doing this photosynthesis, plants prepare their own food. And if plants prepare their own food, then only we get the food. We need plants for food or not. And animals also need plants for food. Now, coming to your worksheet, here you see importance of photosynthesis. Importance of photosynthesis. So, fill in the blanks. Dash is the process by which plants make their own food. Preparing the food in plants is called what? Photosynthesis. And leaves look green because of chlorophyll present in them. Plants need air, sunlight and water to make food. Plants give us what? Oxygen to breathe. O2 and oxygen. What can happen if we pluck a lot of leaves of the plants? If we pluck a lot of leaves of the plant will die. Why? Because it does not make food. Next, how do animals depend on photosynthesis? Animals depend on photosynthesis for food and oxygen. Next, how do plants help keep a balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air? By taking carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen, plants help keep a balance between the oxygen and carbon dioxide. Thank you, children.